This is an essential product for every home, office or workplace. It's rechargeable, it's cordless, it's gonna save you time, money and effort. It comes in a compact box like this. Battery charger, spare battery. Look how compact this is. You've got an extra battery here. One. It has two power setups. So this is the power button. Two. This is the reverse switch. It's got two types of motion. It goes like this, neutral, this side. It's got this wheel here, controls the torque all the way to 20. This is Bosch, 12-volt battery. Bosch professional cordless drill and driver.